talking about things, it's one thing that you said is correct कि सब subjects के लिए NCERT नहीं required है. Class 6 NCERT नहीं required है. Something you need to understand. We are graduates. मतलब mostly graduates are coming here for preparation. And anyways, who are not graduate, they are joining for fledgling, जहाँ पे हम NCERTs cover कर रहे हैं. Already. So that's nothing to worry about. But if I talk about NCERTs, I think 9 to 12 NCERTs are sufficient. Specifically for subjects like geography, 11, 12 की NCERT, more than enough. Polity के लिए Indian Constitution at Work, which is a one-time read. That is what I tell my students. एक बार पढ़ो, pick up the definitions, pick up the examples, just make a note out of it. Because then class notes यहाँ के and then yellow booklets. Enough. Because वो आपका cover कर देंगी और the Supreme Court judgments, relevant articles, and that have been their case studies.
Books are updated every year for every batch.
हाँ. Talking about economics, introductory macroeconomics is an NCERT I would suggest students to go for because यहाँ पे जो terms होते हैं that are mentioned, they will be asked by UPSC any year. I think one term was there, marginal propensity to save. It was mentioned in a box, and people generally say box skip कर दिया करो, नहीं पढ़ा करो. And in 2021 UPSC directly asked questions on that. Then you need to be very much updated with the NCERTs specifically. चलो ये 3 subjects का हो गए. Talking about history, either you stick to old or you stick to new. History नहीं बदल रही है. You have to understand that. History is just the same. Indus Valley में जो भी civilization में जो भी आज तक research or developments have taken place, जो भी findings है, they're same across the books. थोड़ी बहुत viewpoint can vary. To stick to any one source. इसके अलावा now we need to move to the standard book list. जैसे geography के लिए GC लिया होंगे, you can have just one book for that. Economics, I don't suggest anything because here I was like faculty was good enough. I just refer to the class notes. And then geography के लिए GC लिया हो गया आपका. History के लिए then you can go for some books if you find them like some of them like Spectrum etc. are there always in the news. Go for them. Otherwise, I don't think polity के लिए तो लक्ष्मीकांत some of you might be following, but थोड़ा सा ठीक है, बेसिक्स के लिए ही है.
बुक है वो.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा सा मेंस के टाइम यू विल हैव टू अपग्रेड अ लॉट ओवर लक्ष्मीकांत. बहुत ज्यादा आपको अपना वैल्यू एडिशन करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई से. बहुत बेसिक 3-4 बुक्स हैं एनसीईआरटीज की, दैट शुड बी ऑन योर फिंगर टिप. उसके साथ कोई मजाक नहीं. देन यू कैन वर्क ऑन वन स्टैंडर्ड सोर्स फॉर एवरीथिंग, अपग्रेडेड विथ योर क्लास नोट्स दैट आर हियर sufficient.
And then keep an